The notorious gangster Vikas Dubey was killed in an encounter after a road accident on Friday morning while being taken to Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh from Madhya Pradesh, where he was arrested yesterday. Vikas Dubey snatched the gun of a policeman and tried to run but was surrounded, the police said, asserting that they had tried to get him to surrender. Just an hour short of Kanpur, the car in which Vikas Dubey was being taken away, one of the three in the police convoy, overturned on the rain-slicked highway and he tried to escape, the police said. He was shot dead like many of his accomplices who, according to the police, had also tried to escape from the custody. Opposition party leaders have raised doubts after gangster Vikas Dubey was killed in an encounter following a car accident. He was arrested by Ujjain police on Thursday and was being brought to Kanpur by a team of STF UP police. 4 personnel of STF were also injured during the encounter. Samajwadi Party chief and former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav tweeted that the car has now overturned, but the government was saved from being overturning because of their secret. AICC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also hinted at the allegation of a nexus between Dubey and powerful personalities by saying that this is the end of a criminal, but what about his crimes and the people who protected him? Another tweet targeting the police encounter of Vikas Dubey was made by former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. He said that dead men tell no tales. Hours before Vikas Dubey's encounter, a petition has come up in the Supreme Court that sought protection for the gangster. The petitioner had demanded protection for Vikas Dubey, saying that several of his aides were killed in different fake encounters by the UP police. Citing the number of the encounters over the past few days in which many of his aides were killed, the Mumbai-based petitioner sought protection for the gangster. The lawyer who filed the petition in Supreme Court also demanded that Vikas Dubey's case should be transferred to the CBI. The petitions has sought to direct UP police and government to safeguard the life of accused Vikas Dubey and ensure that he is not killed or encountered by police, and complete security arrangement is made for his safe production in the concerned court from time to time, and he is dealt with in accordance with the law. However, Vikas Dubey has been killed this morning in an encounter by UP police. India has once again reported the highest single-day spike in fresh coronavirus cases, with 26,506 new cases recorded in just 24 hours. India's COVID count now stands at 7,93,000. 2,76,000 among them are active cases. Over 4,95,000 have been recovered and 21,604 have died due to coronavirus in India. Meanwhile, India's COVID-19 mortality rate slips once again to 2.7%. The difference between active cases and the recoveries is more than 2 lakh. Recovery stands at 62.4%, which is an improvement from the last study. The Union Health Ministry, meanwhile, has recommended the use of hydroxychloroquine in mild and moderate cases of COVID-19, but asked that it should be avoided in severe patients. Cable television producers in Nepal have switched off signals for all Indian news channels except Doordarshan, news agency ANI reported on Thursday. However, no official order has been passed in connection with the ban. The move came hours after former Deputy Prime Minister and spokesperson of the ruling Nepal Communist Party, Narayan Kaji Shrestha, said that baseless propaganda by Indian media against the Nepal government and their Prime Minister should stop.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.